Good morning, everyone. In the last videos, sir, we covered very clearly about introduction to these data structures, how we can able to work with these data structures, and in detail explanation about our course plan, and even so some small important points related to the demo also I covered very clearly in our last session. Let me revise for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will continue. Sir, our title of this course is nothing but data structures and algorithms with Java. The regular class timings will be from 9:30, sir. From 9:30, but demos we are taking from 10:30, sir. Okay. So this week only demos will be there from 10:30 to 11:30, but our regular classes will be there. Our regular classes will be there from 9:30 to 10:30. Okay. So next and after that, the duration of this course is 2 months, 60 classes we are going to discuss about these data structures, and fees for this batch is 999. You can contact to this number 720-721-2427, or you can contact to DURGASOFT online training at gmail.com. Okay. And what syllabus we are going to cover, I explained very clearly in the first demo itself. And yesterday we have seen how to create a class, how to add data into that class. Next, how to access that data. We have to create object for that particular class. By using that object, we are accessing that information. Suppose if any data is declared with a static, object requirement is not required. Directly we can call without creating object. That means by using class name, we can call this method. That part also I explained very clearly by using one demo program. Suppose if this static method is present in another class, there are two ways are there to access this. One is nothing but by using object, another one is nothing but by using class. Suppose if this static method is present in the main class means what? The class where we declared main method is always called as main class. Suppose if that method is available in the main class, then how many ways are there to access that particular method? There are three ways are there. What is the first way? By using object we can call that method. Second one, by using class name we can call that method. Third one, sir, directly also we can call. We are not required to create any object, we are not required to use any class name. Directly we can call. Sir, which approach we will follow in our DSA means depending on the situation. Okay. Suppose if I am developing any utility applications, then always I will go with defining the static method directly within the main class. Probably we will see these kind of things in our sorting and searching techniques. Okay. In the sorting and searching techniques, we have to create and we have to work with these functionalities. That's why for ascending order one sorting technique, for descending order one sorting technique, I am going to prepare. Okay. That you will see in our upcoming classes. Don't worry at all. So next and after that, so I want to create a class with some data. Suppose we have created employee class with some information like employee ID, employee name, salary, like that. Sir, we can create object for that class and we can give data for that class, sir. Like employee one ID is nothing but 111, employee one name is nothing but Prakash, employee one salary is nothing but 10,000. In the same way, we can create other employees also like this, other employee details also. How to print? Same, by using dot operator we can print. Here the problem is the load of the work for main method is going to increase like anything. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem? We can solve this problem by introducing setters and getter methods. So setter methods are used to set the values, getter methods are used to get the values. So in the last video I explained very clearly how to call setter methods, how to call getter methods. Okay. So again, every time setting the value for multiple objects is always a risky job because the length of the code is going to increase. To overcome that problem, we have constructors are there. So you can replace setter methods with constructors. Okay. How you can able to set? So how you can able to set the values for class members, like that we have seen already, sir. Okay, then at the time of creating object itself, we are going to pass the values. This constructor will execute automatically whenever we are creating an object. Next, and after that, sir, even getter methods replacement is nothing but if you want, you can directly print that object, like SOP of E1, SOP of E2. But generally, it will print the memory address location where that object is available. Sir, can I override that? Yes, we can override that by using which method? ToString method. Sir, once if we use a ToString method, then what will happen? We are going to get content like this. We can override. So in which class we have to override this ToString? Which object you want to print? In that class, if ToString method is available, at the time of printing object, it will execute this, and whatever returned value is there, it will print. That part also with a clear explanation I explained, sir. Okay, next, and after that, swapping of two numbers. What is mean by swapping? Interchanging two variables. Okay, interchanging the values between the variables. Like if you have a is equal to 111, b is equal to 222, if you print initially a comma b, we are going to get 111 and 222, and we have to apply some business logic. After applying the business logic, if you ask a value, b value, definitely those values are going to be interchanged. How to do this? I prepared algorithm for that. In this totally we have how many logics are there? 5 logics are there. Okay, logic 1 is nothing but by using temporary variable, how you can do. Logic 2 is nothing but by using addition and subtraction. Logic 3 by using multiplication. Logic 5 by using single line statement. Like this we are going to see. Sir, now today, first I want to explain all these 5 logics with the help of examples, and we will prepare a program also for this requirement, sir. Can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Any doubts up to this? Ankit, I am seeing the messages. Please don't copy paste that message multiple times. Okay, I request everyone to please respond clear up to this. I request everyone to please respond because only few responses I am getting. Right. So dot operator is used to access the data present in the class. Suppose if you take here, okay, suppose if you take here, E1 dot get ID. Get ID is available in employee class. E1 is an object of that employee class. This dot or period operator is used to interact with the data which is present in the class. In the class, which data is available, to interact with that, we are using dot operator. It is called as member operator. Okay. Now, sir, I want to talk about these logics one by one. What is the first logic? By using temporary variable, how we can able to swap two numbers. By using temporary variable, how we can able to swap two numbers. Okay, 1 second, sir. Please wait 1 second. Yeah, right. So logic one, I want to implement this by using temporary variable. Logic one, I'm explaining. Sir, observe carefully. By using temporary variable, how to solve this one? So temp is equal to A is equal to B is equal to temp. Like this, we are going to take. This is nothing but how to implement this logic by using temporary variable. Temp is equal to A. So A is equal to B is equal to temp. This is nothing but the logic. Sir, first I will explain this logic with the help of one small diagram. Assume, sir, I want to take A value is equal to 1 and B value is equal to 2. Okay, sir, three variables got created in this example, right? Consider this is nothing but A variable. So this is nothing but a B variable. Okay, and this is nothing but a C variable. Sorry, temp variable. Sir, what is the first statement? We are taking temp is equal to A. We are taking temp is equal to A. Sir, I'm copying the value of A into temp. Sir, A value is 1 that we are copying into temp. Okay, sir, I'm taking A is equal to B. Sir, we are copying B value into A. B value into A means what? Sir, we have to copy B value to A. What is the B value? 2. That I'm copying to the A, which is nothing but a 2. Which is nothing but a 2. Sir, next term, B is equal to, I'm taking temp. What is the temp value here? Temp value is 1. That I'm copying to B. Sir, after doing this, if you ask A value, what is there? 2. After doing this, what is the B value? 1. Sir, have you observed? Is the values got swapped or not? Yes. Okay, the values got interchanged. This is nothing but the first logic what we have. Okay, sir, now I want to convert this into an executable code. I want to convert this into an executable code. Listen carefully. Sir, before moving to this executable part, can you please confirm? Okay, before moving to this executable part, can you please confirm? Is this first logic, whatever I explained, is it clear for you people? Everyone, please respond. Is it clear for you people? I request everyone to please respond. Right? Right. Sir, next, I need to implement this, sir. I have to implement this code. How to implement? Sir, we have to, better I will read the data from the user. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. Sir, I will ask the user, array user, can you please enter a value? Sir, enter a value. Like this, I am asking. So integer a will become obj dot next int. I am reading the value of e. Then system dot out dot println of I am asking enter b value. Enter b value. Sir, integer b is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, I accepted a value and I accepted b value from the user. Okay, by using scanner class, I accepted both values. Now, what is my requirement is I will call the function called swapping. Okay, or swap logic one. Sir, here I will pass a and then b values. That's all. Sir, I will define public. Okay, I will define. So public static. So void. What is that method name? Swap logic one, which is taking two integer variables. Let it be x and then y. Any variable name you can. System dot out dot println of before swapping. Before swapping. Okay. So x is equal to or a is equal to, let it be a b only so that you won't get confused. Okay, before swapping, so a is equal to plus a and and b is equal to plus b. Like this I am printing. Okay, a is equal to plus a and b is equal to plus b. Sir, after swapping also we have to display, right? Sir, after swapping same content. But meanwhile, what I am taking? I will take a temporary variable and I am assigning a value to the temporary variable. I am assigning b value to a and I am taking, so b is equal to temp. Like this I am taking. Like this I am taking. Now I am calling this a swapping logic, sir. Sir, now what will happen? We have to check by executing this code. Let us run. Sir, Java C test.java I am taking. Is the code compiled fine or not? Yes. So Java space test I am taking. Sir, enter a value. I am giving first value as a 12. Enter b value. I am giving second value as a 13. Sir, before swapping, a value is 12, b value is 13. After swapping, a value is 13, b value is nothing but 12. If you want, you can print here saying, so system.out.println of sir, swapping of swapping of two numbers using logic 1, using logic 1. Like this, if you want, you can keep the message, so that what will happen? So because multiple logics we are going to execute, right? That's why just for a convenient purpose I am taking this one. So 1 and then 2 before swapping, after swapping. So I think you people got very clear clarity about this swapping logic, sir. Can you please confirm everyone? Is this concept is clear for you people? Please confirm everyone. Is the concept is clear for you people? Sir, no responses from your side. I request everyone to please respond. Right. Good. Sir, next we have to talk about logic 2. What is a logic 2? Sir, by using addition and subtraction also we can do this, sir. By using addition and subtraction also we can do this. Sir, how you can able to? Time complexity as of now not required, man. Okay, just ignore the time complexity as of now, because we will have a separate chapter, because there we have to talk. At the very beginning, if I explain time and space complexities, you people are going to get confused. Sir, what is the second one? By using addition and subtraction, how you can able to do that? Sir, there is one small logic is there. A is equal to, I am taking A plus B. So B is equal to, I am taking A minus B. A is equal to, I am taking A minus B. Like this we have. By using addition and subtraction, A is equal to A plus B. B is equal to A minus B. A is equal to A minus B. Like this we are going to take. Okay. Sir, now let us see how it will be. Let us see how it will be. Okay. Sir, first I will explain with the help of a small example. Consider the value of A is nothing but 1 and the value of B is nothing but 2. Okay. So A value is nothing but initially it is 1 and B value is nothing but initially it is 2. Sir, is there any temporary variable required? No. What is the first instruction? A is equal to A plus B. Sir, please add the value of A and B, assign that value to A. Sir, A value is 1, B value is 2. 1 plus 2, the result is 3. I am updating that result to this A. Like this we got. Now, what is the value of B? B is equal to A minus B. Subtract the value of A from B and assign to B. What is the A value? 3 minus what is the B value? 2. Your result will become 1. That update to B. Next, A is equal to A minus B. Subtract the same thing and assign to A. Sir, what is the A value? 3. Minus what is the updated value of B? 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but we are going to get Sir, now after this, what is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 1. Is the values got changed or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to work with second logic. Can you please confirm everyone, is this second logic is clear for you people? Is it clear? Right. Right. Now let us go for executable part for this. Sir, we have to write the same function, right? What is the change? Swapping logic to, and the temporary variable is not required. You know the instructions. A will become A plus B. So B will become A minus B. So A will become A minus B. That's all. Now, sir, same for the same number only I'm doing swapping by using logic 2. I'm going to call. Let's execute up to this. So I'm giving 11 and then 22. Sir, swapping of two numbers by using logic 1. A value is 11, B value is 22. So before swapping. After swapping, 22 and then 11. In both logics, it is working fine. In both logics, it is working fine. Like this we have. Okay. Sir, what about third logic? What about third logic? By using multiplication and division, we have to take, sir. By using multiplication and division, we have to do. Sir, what is the logic here? A is equal to A into B. So B is equal to A by B. Okay. Again, A is equal to A by B. Simple logic. Again, I will explain with the help of diagram so that you can get very clear clarity. Assume A value is nothing but 3 and B value is nothing but 2. Sir, what is the A value which is initially pointing 3 and B value initially it is pointing 2? Sir, what is the first instruction? A is equal to A into B. What is the value of A, sir? 3. What is the value of B, sir? 2. It will become 6. So A is updated with 6. Now, what about B? B is nothing but A by B. What is the updated value of A? 6. By what is the latest value of B? 2. 6 by 2 will become 3. So your B value is occupied with 3. What about A? Again A by B. Sir, we have to take 6 by 3. Sir, your result will become 2. Sir, this is nothing but 2 what we have. Okay. This is nothing but the logic what we have. So I think you people got a very clear clarity about this logic. After this, A value will become 2 and B value will become 3. So is the swapping happened or not? Yes, perfectly it is working. Perfectly it is working. Sir, can you please confirm everyone? Is this concept is clear for you people? Clear? Please respond everyone. Right. Now we will see implementation of this, sir. We will see implementation. Sir, how we can able to implement the same thing I'm taking here? So swapping logic number 3. Okay, swapping logic number 3 I'm taking here. So now we have to go for method call logic 3 and logic 3. Yes, let us cross check. Now I am giving 2 and then 3. Sir, swapping logic is nothing but we are going to have 2 and 3 and then we are going to have 3 and 2. Sir, everywhere the swapping happened or not? Yes, this is the way how we can able to execute, sir. Okay. Now, logic number 4. Sir, fourth logic. Sir, this is a bit complex. Please concentrate well. What is the fourth logic that we have here is by using bitwise operators, how you can able to do. So A is equal to A cap B. B is equal to A cap B. A is equal to again A cap B. That's all. This is nothing but by using bitwise operator, how you can able to do. Okay. Now see what will happen. Sir, consider the value of A is nothing but something like I am giving 9. And the value of B is nothing but, sir, I am giving 7. Like this we have. So the initial value of A will become 9 and the initial value of B will become 7. After swapping, what will be the values we have to see. But bitwise operators, it will work based on binary numbers. If you take number 9, what is its binary equivalent? Sir, it is nothing but 8421 code. 1001 is nothing but a binary number. Even if you don't know, please ignore bitwise operations. I will cover there. I will discuss in detail. So next, coming to 7. Sir, what is equivalent of 7? 8421. Like this we have to take. Sir, what is the first operation? Your A will become A cap B. Your A will become A cap B. Sir, if you see, what is the AND operation is going to return? I mean, what is the cap symbol truth table? If first bit is 0, second bit is 1, your result is 1. If your first bit is 1, second bit is 0, your result is 1. Okay. Suppose if your first bit is 0, second bit is also 0, your result will become 0. If your first bit is 1, second bit is also 1, your result will become 0. That means if bits are in same state, your result will become 0. If bits are in different state, your result will become 1. Remember this point carefully. So if bits are in the same direction, I mean same values, same state, then your result will become 0. If bits are in different state, the result will become 1. Like this we have. Sir, now A is equal to, I want to take A cap B. Sir, this is the A value, this is the B value. Sir, A cap B means what? A value is nothing but 1001. B value is nothing but 0111. Cap operation, 1 and 1, 0. 0 and 1, 1. 1, 0 and 1, 1. 1 and then 0, 1. This is nothing but the latest value of A. Excellent. Now we have to calculate B. What is the value of B? Again A cap B. Now what is the latest value of A? Sir, 1110. What is the latest value of B? It is always already mentioned, 0111. Now apply cap operation, 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Like this we are going to have. Next, again we have to calculate A value, A cap B. What is the latest value of A? This is right. So 1110. What is the latest value of B? This is 1001. Sir, cap operation, 1110. Sir, we got 0111. Have you observed? The latest value of A is nothing but 0311 and the latest value of B is nothing but 1001. Sir, what is its equivalent? It is nothing but 7. Sir, what is its equivalent? It is nothing but 9. Sir, your A value will become 7 and your B value will become 9. Sir, is the values got swapped or not? Yes. This is the way, by using bitwise operators, how we can able to swap two given integer values. Can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Clear? Yes, I request everyone to please respond. If it is clear for you, I will go for implementation of this program. right? Now, sir, let us go for the next one. What we have, implementation we have to talk. So I'm going to take the same program, swapping logic 4, swapping logic 4. So here I'm taking swapping logic 4. And even we have to implement the method, right? Yes, I'm taking swapping logic 4. Sir, what statement here we have to take? A is equal to A cap B, bitwise operators. A is equal to A cap B. B is equal to, again we have to take A cap B. Sir, then again A is equal to A cap B. Like this we have to take. Let us run the code and let us check. Now enter A value. I'm giving 23. Enter B value 25. Sir, are you seeing the last logic? Before swapping, A value is 23, B value is 25. So after swapping, A value is 25, B value is nothing but 23. The values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to interchange the values. Sir, now my requirement is, sir, I need to talk about the last logic, which is nothing but by using single line statement, how you can able to interchange. Okay, now observe carefully. A is equal to, okay, A is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to A is the formula. Okay, sir, observe carefully. It is a bit tricky. A is equal to, consider 1. B is equal to, consider 4. So we have to apply some logic. What is that logic? A is equal to, sir, A plus B minus, so your B is equal to A. Okay. Sir, what is the initial value of A? 1. What is the initial value of B? 4. Now A plus B, that is nothing but 5, minus B is equal to, A value I am copying to B. What is the A value? 1. Now your A will become 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 4. Sir, your A value is 4. What about B? In this line itself, we assign it will become 1. Very simple, right? Okay. Sir, is this single line statement how to perform swapping of two numbers by using this single line statement? Is it clear for you people, guys? Please respond. Clear? For 0 also it will work. If you take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, sir, what will happen? A is equal to A plus B. 0 plus 1. Okay. 0 plus 1 will become 1, minus your B will become A. That is nothing but 0. So A value is 1 minus 0, which will become 1. And your B value is already 0. Yeah, you know very well. For division by 0, it always rise arithmetic exception, right? So it won't work, because that is a problem not with logic. The problem is with programming language. Got it? Right. Yeah. Sir, listen carefully. A is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to A. Simple instruction, sir. Let us take A value as a 5 and I am taking B value as a 4. So what we are doing, A is equal to A plus B, 5 plus 4, which is nothing but 9, minus B is equal to A. A value is a 5. Sir, 9 minus 5 will become 4. That is the A value. And B value already, this 5 is copied, right? So it will become 5. Like that, these two values got interchanged. Clear, Shraddha? Right. Sir, let's go for implementation of this. Let's go for implementation of this. Sir, is this logic is going to work or not? We will cross check. So swapping logic 5. Hmm? Oh, we have to take single line statement. So A is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to A. That's all. Sir, let's run the final case. So I'm giving 10 and then 6. Last logic. Have you observed? A value is 10 and B value is 6 before performing swapping operation. So after performing swapping operation, your A value is 6 and B value is nothing but 10. After performing swapping operation, your A value is nothing but 6 and B value is nothing but 10. Like this we are going to get. Okay. So this is nothing but how we can able to implement. So implementation of this program, how you can able to implement swapping of two numbers, sir, by using these logics. Okay. I think, sir, you people got full-fledged clarity about this one. Can you please confirm any doubts, friends, up to this? Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Yes, I request everyone to please respond.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we want to keep b equal to a in parentheses, then what will be happen?
If we are not taking b is equal to a within parentheses, that is your question. Yes. I think it will work, sir. No problem, I think so. But let me check. I think so. Is it going to raise any error? Okay.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Right.
Means must we have to keep?
Yeah, because that is assignment, right? Multiple assignments, we can't keep it in the single line.
Okay.
Sir, I have one question, like which one we should use, because we have 4 options will be there.
According to you, which is best, sir?
No, that means that's why I have asked for time complexity. If we go for it, so which logic?
No. Almost for all these instructions, time complexity will be same, because we are using simple statements. It will take constant time. Okay. It is not depending on extra other content, right? So are you running a loop or are you checking a condition? There is nothing. So it will take linear time. That is big O of one complexity. But among these 5, which one will work fast means, so this one will work fast, because we are using bitwise operators. Means bitwise operators, what it is going to do, it works based on binary numbers, right? Internally, the system will operate on binary numbers only. So if you are giving input in the form of binary, then our binary operators, then it will work more efficiently. Okay.
And also, if the number is 0, then the logic 3 will not work, right? Because it is multiplication.
Because it is having division, sir. That's why it won't work.
Okay, thanks.
Right. Now, sir, the next one. 1 second, please wait. Right. So next one, sir, I will go with some small theory part. Okay. And then we will implement the program for any other application. What is that theory part is, sir, we have single linked list is there. Okay. I want to insert a new node into single linked list. This is my task. A simple diagram alone I will explain. Don't worry at all. Okay. Similarly, so insert a new node into single linked list at ending. So here at the beginning I want to add, here at the ending I want to add, and traversing single linked list. These three topics I want to explain with the help of diagram for you people to understand clearly. Sir, what is this single linked list? How you can able to write logic for that? Slowly, one by one, I will take an example, sir, so that you can understand very well. Sir, here my first requirement is nothing but my first requirement here is, sir, observe carefully. Right. Sir, I will take a diagram for explaining purpose, because you people may not having idea about a linked list. Sir, linked list means it is a special data structure. Okay, linked list is nothing but a special data structure. Sir, what is that special data structure in the sense? Sir, observe carefully. Here, everything is represented in the form of a node. Everything is represented in the form of a node. This one is called as a node, sir. This node will have two fields. The first field is always called as a data field, and this field is called as next field, which is pointing to the next node. Okay, which is pointing to the next node. Assume I have a single linked list is there like this. Assume I have a single linked list is there like this. Sir, in this single linked list, total how many nodes are there? 3 nodes are there. Sir, first node is connected to the second node. Second node is connected to the third node. Like this we have. Third node is not connected to anything. That's why it is represented as a null. So consider the data is 10, 20, and then 30. Sir, like this, it can contain any number of nodes. Sir, how you can able to identify each and every node? No, we don't have any option. Sir, we will have a pointer to this first node, which is always called as head node. Okay, sir, just at the outline observe. Okay, because I am not explaining any concept, because it is the demo, right? How I am going to explain with the help of diagram, for that purpose I am taking. Okay, so don't go in detail, just at a top level try to understand. So there will be always a node will be there called head. By using this node only, you have to visit every node, or you have to what you can call, you have to traverse, or you have to move by using this head. Okay, so in the entire single linked list, how many nodes will be there? Only one node pointer will be there. That is nothing but head. Sir, okay, fine. In this requirement, I want to add a new node at very beginning. This is my requirement. Sir, this node contains the data called 5. Let us label this node as NN, stands for new node. I want to create this new node. Sir, how to write code for that? I am writing here. Just observe this diagram. Sir, here, how we can able to create a new node in this case? Sir, already, okay, already we have some node is there. Already we have some node is there. Okay, sir, head is nothing but pointing to that. Head is nothing but pointing to this. Like this, we have nodes are there. Okay, sir, now my requirement is I want to add, okay, I want to add a node at the very beginning. I want to add a node at the very beginning. Sir, if you want to add node at the beginning, what we have to do? What we have to do? Sir, very simple step. Sir, is there any requirement to traverse throughout this? No, we are not required to do any traversal. We are not required to do any traversals. Directly we can work, sir. Sir, how you can able to do that? Sir, we need to add the node at the very beginning, right? The simple step is nothing but I will write the function like void add first method. Integer, we will give some data. In this example, the data is nothing but 5, sir. In this example, the data is nothing but 5. Sir, a node class will be there. Node, new node is equal to, sir, new node of data. After that, I'm going to check is your head is equal to null. If your head is equal to null, then what will happen? Sir, your head will become new node. Simply you can able to return. Sir, otherwise, if your head is not equal to none, then null, sir, then you have to take your new node next field will become head, and your head will become new node. Like we have to write two more instructions which will create a new node at the beginning, sir. Observe carefully. Sir, first it will create a new node. This is the new node with given data 5. Sir, next field is always null. As of now, next field is always null. Sir, is your head is equal to null? That means there is no node in the linked list, means then only this particular possibility will come. No, sir, already head is there. So this if condition never execute. Your new node is there, right? Its next field is pointing to head. I'm establishing the link in red color. Sir, this next field is there, right? It is pointing to which node, sir? Head node. Now, after this, we are doing one change. What is that change? Your head will become new node. Now, this will become which node, sir? Head. Now onwards, sir, this is not head, sir. Like this we have. Can you please confirm? Is this a simple explanation? Is it clear for you people? But don't worry, in detail I will explain in our upcoming classes.
Sir, just one doubt.
Hmm.
Let's say right now if we see 5 is a new node, correct? Or 5 will become a head. Now let's say that this is the single linked list. Now again, if I want to add a new element, then 5 will be replaced by that new element, and that new element will become head.
No. So if you want to add one more node, one more element, a new node will be created, right? Then what will happen? So with some data, let it be 4. Okay, new node is this one, right? Its next field is pointing to head. Now which is head? This one. Now head will become new node. Now head will become this one. Got it?
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Right. I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this.
Sir, one doubt, like the head concept, it is going left to right or right to left?
No.
Because
It is always, no, we can move in any direction.
any direction. Okay.
Any direction. But in this example, you can move in which direction?
Left direction.
No, left to right we can move. Because the next pointer is there,
Yeah,
right?
left to right is there.
Suppose if you want to move to the previous, in this case, it is not possible. But we have double linked list is there. There, node structure will be like this only. But 2 pointers will be there. 3 pointers will be there. So middle one is nothing but a data. And this one is next. This one is previous.
Okay.
So if you want to move to the beginning, you can use previous. If you want to move to the next, we can go for next.
Okay.
Right. Sir, with this, I will go with one more logic. Sir, somewhat confusion will be there. Please understand. I want to add the node at ending, sir. I want to add the node at ending. Consider this is nothing but new node. Its data is nothing but 40. I want to add this at ending. Sir, how to add? First, I will write a piece of code. Then I will go for demonstration. Observe carefully. Sir, I want to add a node at ending. Sir, if you want to add the node at ending, first few steps are same. Void add last. Integer data. Next, I'm creating a new node. New node will become, sir, new node with some data. Okay, right. So if your head is equal to null, so that means if the linked list is not there, then the node which you have created will become new node. Head node. Then you can return the control. Sir, otherwise, sir, you have to move to the last. That is very, very important logic, sir. So node, some temporary will become head node. Next, and after that, while your temp node next field is not equal to null. Okay, not equal to null. We have to write one instruction. What is that instruction? Sir, your temp will become temp dot next. Don't worry, I will explain in the diagram. At last, temp dot next will become new node. This is nothing but the logic what we have to write if you want to add a node at the ending. Now observe my terminology clearly. Observe my terminology. Sir, links I am writing. Node, a new node got created. Is head is equal to null? No, head is already there. It is not equal to null. Temp is equal to head. Another pointer I am assigning for this, which is nothing but a temp, which is assigning to head. Sir, while, because I don't know how many nodes are there. Temp dot next, its next node is not equal to null. No, it is null. It is not equal to null. Yes, condition true. Then your temp will become temp tends to next. This is the temp node. Its next field is nothing but this one. Now onwards, this will become temp, not this one. Sir, again, is its next node is not equal to null? Yes. Then temp will become temp tends to next. Sir, is its next node is not equal to null? So then temp will become temp tends to next. Next node is not equal to null. No, its next node is null. So it will stop. At last, one thing is there. Have you observed? Temp dot next is equal to new node. That means this link will be pointing to the new node. That's all. We are not required to move the head because head is always pointing to the beginning of the node. Like this we have. Okay. So if you want to reduce time complexity, you can assign one more pointer, which is always pointing to the last. You can, if you want, you can keep this node as a last. Then last tends to next will become new node, and this new node will become last. So if you want to reduce the complexities, we can go for that. Okay. So I think you people got very clear clarity about how to insert the node at the beginning, how to insert the node at the ending. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
here what is the need of temp variable?
Because that is the main thing, sir. Because you have to move to the ending, right? Okay, because we don't have any pointers here. 10 is not pointing by any pointer. 20 is not pointing by any pointer. 30 is not pointing by any pointer. If you want to attach this 40 to the next to 30, so how you will attach? There should be a link. How to find out this one? If you know the name of this node and this node, then we can establish the link. We know name of this node, but we don't know name of this node. That's why I have given the first node as a temp, next node, next node, next node, up to last it will. Got it?
No, sir, I'm not getting.
Sir, no problem. Just leave it. You will get in detail in our linked list. Sir, here how many in this entire chain, how many pointers will be there? Only one pointer, right? That is head, which is always pointing at the beginning. Are you getting my point? Clear up to
Yes.
this? If I want to move to the ending, how to move? For that, we are taking temporary node. Got it? So this will become temporary node at first step. Next field is there? No. Move to the next. Next field is there? Yes. Move to the next. Next field is there? Yes. Move to the next. Next field is there? Move to the next. Next field is there? No. It will stop. So traversing every node. If you want to find out the data, or if you want to perform searching operation, or if you want to sort, so you have to move one by one. For that, we are using temp. Temp is nothing but a special temporary node, which is a temporary pointer, which is always pointing from the beginning to ending. At least somewhat you got. Sir, I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this?
Sir, if we don't keep that temporary variable and we will have that head variable, then what?
Then, sir, in the linked list, we will have only one variable. That is nothing but head. I am telling, listen carefully. So this is nothing but the first node. This is nothing but the second node. This is nothing but the third node. This is nothing but the fourth node. Sir, links will be like this. always one pointer will be there pointing to head. That's all. So physically you can see there is a connection, but logically how these connections are established in the program we have written. But how many pointers are there to get the data? Only one pointer. If you want to move to this particular node, what you have to do? Don't move head. So if you move head, what will happen? This link will be deleted. That means you can't relocate this node. Are you getting my point? You should not change the position of head. That's why what I am doing, I am assigning another person. Array, please point to this node. So, sir, how many times I have to point? So as of now, you point to this node, check whether next node is there or not. If next node is there, you can change it, your position. So next node is there, it will change. So it will intimate, is there any next node? No. So yes. So then it will point here. Is there any next node? Then it will point to this. Is there any next node? No, it will stop here. Like this, we can move this temporary variable to the ending. Don't move head. If you move head, what will happen? Once if you move head to here, then your new linked list will become this node to this node. That's all. Sir, what about the previous two? Because you have left the links, then how you can able to get previous node? We can't. Are you getting?
Means both head and temporary variable are pointing to one list.
Sir, in the entire list, only one pointer will be there, that is head. If you want to do any operation, then you have to use temporary variable.
While
Once
we are
if
using temporary variable, then both are pointing.
yes, sir. See, initially head is this one, temp will become this one. So in this particular
both are
case,
pointing at this time.
yeah, at this time both are pointing same. Next time this temp will become this one, right? Now temp
Correct.
is not first one.
Yes.
Now temp will point to this one. Now temp is not in second link.
Now I understood. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. If you move head, what will happen? These links also will be deleted, right? That's why we should not
all
move
list
head.
will be deleted.
Yeah. Sir, everyone please confirm clear up to this. Yes. I request everyone to please register for this course as early as possible. Maybe tomorrow, tomorrow will be our last demo session. Okay. From 31st, we will have our regular class. Okay. So 31st and 1st, these 2 days, the class will be there at 10:30 only. Okay. So from Monday onwards, our class will be at 9:30. Okay. The people who are interested to continue, you can start registering by today and tomorrow. Okay. Maximum, we will try to change the link by Friday. We will try to change the link by Friday. So tomorrow will be our last demo class. Sir, tomorrow agenda is nothing but I will explain at very beginning traversing the single linked list, and I will go for applications because we have covered only one application. We will go with a few more applications. Okay. In interview, I was asked how we can able to make our own array list. Just now I told, right? Same concept. We can create a linked list. Okay. Yeah. Yes, can you please confirm how many people are interested to continue in this course? Still not registered, but I am willing to continue. Like anyone is there, can you please confirm? Gopal, linked list, stack, queue, everything is the same. Only just a sample I explained. Yes, right.
Sir, difference between array and linked list also we will discuss.
Yeah, difference between array and linked list definitely we will discuss.
And advantage over array.
Sir, array is dummy concept, sir, because we can't, it is not growable. You can't add, you can't increase the length. Okay. So if you want to perform any operations, it will become difficult in the case of arrays. Only size restriction is there and the data type is also restricted. So anyway, we will discuss that in future. Don't worry.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Right, sir. So thank you. I request everyone to please register as early as possible. Tomorrow will be the last demo session. From day after tomorrow, our classes will be there on new link. And Friday and Saturday we will have class at 10:30. Okay. But from Monday onwards, we will have a class at 9:30. So thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So this means like we will start from the beginning now after this demo.
No.
Because-
This is continuation, sir.
Okay,
These
okay.
topics are already there in the syllabus.
Okay, okay,
I'm not going to repeat this.
okay, sir.
Parallelly, I'm taking the class as well as demo, sir. Both I'm taking. If you see in our syllabus, so what we covered, sample algorithms and implementations are there, right? In that we have 30 programs are there. I explained one program in these 3 demo classes. What is that program? Swapping of 2 numbers. This is nothing but one of the application. Tomorrow maybe we will cover 2 or 3 applications like this. Okay. Previous to this, whatever I provided is basics, how you can able to create classes, objects, all these things. Okay.
Okay. So actually, I got to know about this demo sessions today only, and I have joined now. So
Oh,
will I
okay,
get
okay.
access to this videos
Sir,
after
these
joining the
videos are
course?
already uploaded on the YouTube, sir. You can check it. In
Okay,
our
okay, sir.
YouTube channel, it is already there. Just check it once. I think this is 3rd demo.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So I will
But
check it.
these classes will be there from 9:30 to 10:30. Only demos are
Hello?
there at 10:30.
Okay.
I'm
sir.
audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So actually, the method concept of the method and function, like I need to clear that first. So where I can clear? Can you provide the link for that? That will be help
Method
us to
and
do.
function.
Yeah, method and functions in
Method
Java.
and
Because some
function
of the
both are
concept, like
same,
we are
sir.
taking the
Yeah,
data
yeah.
structure.
Just
but,
remind me,
actually-
definitely I will cover in our regular session. Okay.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you.
Right, sir. Okay. Right, friends. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Thank you.